When Shan was conducting a search, Shan and the next girl had been on a live and I asked some gift to buy water for the people who might do the search. And mama rail up like the hyena where she be. Queen! Me say mama rail up like the hyena that she is. And start cuss. Now, let me tell you something. A child gone missing, right? From Zimbabwe. You know what that means? That means the world has now missing a child. So therefore, if my child was in our predicament and me was to come to social media and say, guys, may I beg you £5 each, because me hear say my child missing and in down Ghana and I want to go down and go look. And I help you to make me without fear. What kind of shame is in that? The woman that try to look some money to buy some water and you gonna cuss out the woman and say she bring embarrassment by your name. Embarrassment by the name, what kind of embarrassment can be on the name more than this big embarrassment to overdo so to take on a look cause down look never and go analyze him. You can get any embarrassing more than that. So I don't get it, guys. I don't get it. I don't get it. And I feel like say when this shit hit the fan, they start to come out and the whole of them start to attack the little boy's character. But what them did forget, them forget so them come out come tell you say him a El Salvador at school or Baltimore. I remember one next big girl them tell you say him at school. Him a something in bigger school, like him come out head boy at school. And at them come out come tell you that same as a big El Salvador and all of these things. Right? Then when them say the public now say we want back with Pitney and him now going free like that, they start tell you say him a take Mali, him a gunman, him a walk up and down in a Mandeville town, him a sell strap out a car back, him a do big things now. And then forget to last week then tell you say him is a El Salvador valedictorian at school. And the thing is this, people. The thing is this, right? I'll show you all them people are wicked and lie. Let me show you all these people wicked. Jayden know that the child had gone to the hospital, right? Valedictorian. You see? A big word. Big word, I'm Rudy. Them the word that we can't pronounce them. And first and foremost, it look long. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 37 letter a night. I can't manage them a big word there. By the time I done broke down that for say it tomorrow morning. Right? So these people are a dangerous set of people. These people are dangerous set of people. You understand? And right now, guys, we have to plead with the police them. We have to plead with the police them. We have two options right now. Is either the police them are gonna come forward and help we, or we have to go get data where I go with mama, or we have to go get one private investigator. Yeah. And that's how we think there right now, because let me show you something. I don't know. I not believe in a certain demonic thing, you know. No mysterious, certain demonic. Guys, me are going to 10 minutes, you know. Because my eyes them start hurt me. And I can't hear well. When I'm tired, I can't hear good. Me want to know if I'm me alone I think these things when me I think. Because even the freak principal, even him, if I don't go back on YouTube and listen to film interview, you know, or nationwide or nation sitting. Big up yourself, my brother. Right? If you go back on nationwide and listen to him, you know, that the man they say, him no want Jayden to do nothing to himself. And him said it about 4 times, I think it was. And then after that he went and he said, please to Jayden. He said, Jayden, please. Right? He said, Jayden, please. But I am straight from something that I was going to say, and he come back to me now. Right? And these are the things. Bingo! Bingo, me can't talk now, bingo. Me depend on meditation. I just sleep already. And me get it back to call. Me can't talk now. Me can't say hello to you, bingo. This is something I want to ask, right? This is something I want to ask, is this. Jayden left out of the yard 6:30 in the morning according to the crocodile and also the reptile, right? 6:30 a.m. in the morning, right? Jayden leave out. Now, Jayden gone to school, allegedly. Jayden finished school 2:30, allegedly, right? Jayden was at school all day, according to them. So, the moral of the story that I'm trying to say to you all now is this. Jayden at school whole day, Jayden would not have known that the baby hasn't gone back home. I wonder if you don't follow me. Jayden being at school all day would not have known that the baby has not gone home. So, why the hell would he know that the baby right? Who? I'm not who. Why would Jayden run away after school? Why would he run away after school and then they might come tell we say because him thinks say sitting around with the baby. So Jayden, I may stick Meg or my Woodini. Because the baby could have clearly gone home from morning, you know. The baby could have gone home from 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. The baby have ample amount of hours to go home. So how can Jayden then run away because the baby has not gone home? And how many interview them said Jayden would have not even dirty, nasty, or what's your name? Or reptile, not reptile. What come name again? Or Jezebel coming. Yeah? Even she said Jayden would not have known that the baby still in the hospital. So if Jayden would not have known that the baby is still in the hospital when he finished school at 2:30, why the heck would he run away? I'm telling you, say, Jayden have his phone with him. Jayden's phone did not have no internet on his phone. When Jayden got little Caesar, that's why you see them saying left him bag and go for 5 to 10 minutes. I walk up and down in a little Caesar to go to the shop with the internet there. And that is how Jayden received the message to go meet who him, to go meet or who I go meet him. Right there, so he received a message. And everybody when me ask, them say one shop in a little Caesar where you can get free internet. Well, I think so as well, because I remember I went to one petrol station down there and we get internet from the petrol station. That is how the communication with Jayden went down. And I can tell you, say, I believe 1,000,000% say a goatee text him and tell him that message there. And you see, this is why I get so frustrated, you know. Goatee, if it's a goatee do it. If it's a goatee send him a message there. If it's a goatee, and let me tell you something. You see that boy there? You see that boy when name Juna Scott, the one with that when we play film interview first, you see him? See that the brother there? He's a demon. He's a devil in flesh. He is a devil in flesh. That boy can come and call the name out of Romain or Demar. Who Jayden say I go pick him up? It's one of them two Jayden say. It's one of those two.